Hey there! Welcome to Cash Collect, where we share the latest and greatest ways to make money online. In today's video, we're going to reveal two online side hustles that no one else is talking about. And better yet, they're projected to bring in a whopping $900 per day in 2023. That's right, we're not talking about your typical gig economy jobs. We're diving deep into some truly unique and lucrative opportunities that you won't want to miss. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and get ready to take some notes because these side hustles are game changers. Let's dive in. Hustle number 1. Affiliate marketing. We should probably check out Amazon.com. Now, I need you to key in the AGPTEK smartwatch. Now, the average review rate on Amazon is between 1% and 2%, and there are already 48,681 ratings. If only 2% of customers who bought this watch wrote a review, that would indicate 2.5 million units were sold. You probably want to know how exactly this helps you generate money. Check this out. I'll click on the video below and then on this second video to get a review of the timepiece. Please take note of the section labeled Earned Commissions. The strange part is that practically no one is aware that this person earns a commission if everyone who views at least 30 seconds of the review goes on to buy a watch. To join the ground floor of the Amazon affiliate program and begin earning money from affiliate commissions would be a fantastic move on your part. You should check out this massager, which has over 14,000 ratings and has probably sold over 700,000. Oh, and no video critics either. The potential is waiting in the thousands of Amazon goods that now lack video evaluations. Okay, so how much will you earn? Amazon offers a 2% commission on all electronic purchases. Even though it may not seem like much, let's practice our oral skills on the timepiece we just examined. Let's say 5% of the 2.5 million purchases are people watching your video review. That's 125,000 views. You could have made $115,000 only from commissions on this product if it had been selling at 92 cents per view. Perhaps you've reviewed 20, 50, or 100 things. At that point, the commission starts to add up to a lot of cash. If you look at the video review of the watch, you'll see that it's not hard to use at all. The sound isn't great, but the phone could be used to film this, so there's no reason not to start making similar movies. Get hold of DaVinci Resolve, a powerful video editing program at no cost to you. There are many tutorial videos to help you get started on YouTube, so I won't waste time explaining how to use it. The hardest aspect of this side business is getting started, so why wait any longer to get going with it? Hustle number 2. Drop servicing. Drop service is a method of making money by making use of the talents of others. So, selecting high-ticket goods is essential for generating substantial money with drop servicing. Services like search engine optimization or SEO, computer animation, and 3D modeling command substantial fees. Let's use search engine optimization as an illustration. As reported by Ahref, the average monthly SEO retainer costs between $500 and $1,000. Now, you should visit Fiverr Pro. Here's an SEO plan that starts at $45 a month, so you can see what I mean. The goal should be to charge between $500 and $1,000 monthly for SEO services. Once a customer pays, you cash out the proceeds after purchasing a trustworthy SEO package from Fiverr Pro. Now I know this works since I've tried it on my own. You'll need a website before I can teach you how, so let me make one for you. I'm not trying to promote Squarespace or anything, but I've used their website builder to create several sites, and they're all great. And if you don't feel confident in your ability to construct a website using Squarespace, you can hire a developer to do it for you for as little as $80 through the website Fiverr. The next step is to advertise your services to nearby companies. They are keen on increasing their online visibility and recognize the importance of search engine optimization. The issue though is that they are being bombarded with unsolicited sales pitches from people all over the world. It's important to differentiate yourself from the other SEO services out there. You must be nice and approachable while interacting with local companies. Building a name for oneself and establishing connections with local establishments is a good place to begin. That's great news if you're trying to build a reputation as an SEO expert in your area. Flyers have always been my go-to for getting the attention of local businesses, as they are simple to create and inexpensive to produce. After doing a flyer drop, visit nearby companies to promote yourself and your services, and make use of local online forums and community sites to spread the word. Providing useful guidance is a terrific first step in establishing yourself as an authority figure in your field. Just avoid spamming. It's not about flooding the market with commercials, but rather about establishing credibility and reliability in the eyes of your target audience through helpfulness and leadership. In the end, everything comes down to establishing rapport and trust. Advertise on Google if these don't suit your taste. All the same, this may be helpful in directing people who are looking for SEO to your new company. As soon as you've got a few customers under your belt, word of mouth will bring in more business at a rapid clip. Providing high-quality service is crucial for success and longevity. This has nothing to do with taking advantage of people or supplying subpar SEO services at exorbitant prices. Rather, it's about providing professional management of clients' online presence. Because of your intelligence and connections, you're able to hire others to complete the task for you. If you want to keep your clients happy, you can't just go out and get the lowest services you can find on Fiverr and similar sites. In the end, the sellers you choose will be responsible for virtually every aspect of running your business. So it's important to only engage with those you have complete faith in. And if you want to be successful, you need to provide excellent service. I've heard of SEO firms making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year utilizing a strategy quite similar to this one, which is incredibly scalable. That's a great idea for a side gig that has the potential to become your full-time job. They are the two side businesses that will still be profitable in the year 2023. Now that I've barely scratched the surface of each of them, it's time for you to dig deeper. Do your research and formulate a strategy. We hope you enjoyed the video. But now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn $995 per day just by downloading free applications. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.